Celebrity makeup bag secrets revealed, must-have beauty tips for 2024. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, we are diving into the ultimate guide to celebrity makeup bag secrets for 2024. Ever wondered why celebrities always look flawless no matter the occasion? It's not just about being pretty, it's about being smart with their makeup essentials. In this video, we'll reveal all the tips and tricks straight from the stars' makeup bags. Stick around till the end for all the details. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. 1. The importance of makeup essentials. Have you ever wondered why celebrities seem to look gorgeous no matter where they are and no matter what the moment? Are they prettier than the rest of us, making it easy for them? Not at all, they are just smarter about what their makeup bag holds. Having their makeup at their fingertips is their #1 priority. And it should be for every woman. You don't need to pack around 50 pounds of makeup. Sometimes, just a tube of lipstick can do wonders to freshen your face. Actresses like Sandra Bullock, Jennifer Aniston, and Angelina Jolie all agree that the ultimate makeup bag is really no secret at all. 2. Choosing the right makeup bag. You can buy fashionable and trendy makeup bags ranging in size from compact to purse size, so even your makeup bag can make a fashion statement. But let's face it, it's what we put in the makeup bag that really counts. Why does it always seem like the makeup you most need at the moment didn't make it into the bag? It's time to solve that problem by putting together the makeup bag of the celebrities with all their secrets. 3. Personalizing your makeup bag. Your makeup bag is really a matter of personal taste. Choose one that grabs your attention, fits your personality, and fits your purse. There's no sense in buying a huge makeup bag when you pack a tiny purse. You can buy discount bags for as little as $5, or designer makeup bags for as much as $100. The key is to find one that suits your style and needs perfectly. 4. Essential tools, mirrors and brushes. The celebrities tell us the most important thing you need to put in your bag is a small double-sided compact mirror. You can purchase a nice size travel mirror complete with a protective cover for around $5. The next most important tools are the makeup brushes. Make sure you have a blush and eyeshadow brush in your bag, or you can purchase a compact set of miniature brushes for around $10, ensuring you'll have every brush you need. 5. Foundation and concealer essentials. Jennifer Aniston says your foundation or powder is the absolute most essential makeup bag requirement. If the original container is too large, then purchase a compact bottle or transfer some to an aftermarket container that seals well. This ensures you always have a quick touch-up available without carrying around bulky items. 6. Lipstick and lip gloss tips. Angelina Jolie won't leave home without her favorite lipstick. Pick only one, or your bag is going to get full too fast. Remember, you're building a compact version of your real makeup case. You can add a lip gloss if you like, but the key is to keep it simple and effective. 7. Eyeshadow, mascara, and eyeliner. Eyeshadow is also a must-have for touch-ups. Choose a palette of colors you can wear or use anytime. There is no good way to pack a variety of colors, so it's best to choose your most reliable shades. And for heaven's sake, don't forget to add mascara and eyeliner. These can make a huge difference in refreshing your look throughout the day. 8. Blush and other essentials. According to the stars, you also need to make sure you have your blush. Now this can be a bit trickier because the containers are often big. Look for a flat, compact style blush. To keep you fresh, you can also add some pre-packaged facial cleansing cloths, a travel toothbrush and toothpaste, and a travel-size deodorant. 9. The secret to a perfect makeup bag. That's it, you now know the makeup bag secrets of the celebrities. All the basics to get you through the day and have you looking gorgeous. The secret lies not in having an overwhelming number of products, but in having the right ones. From mirrors to brushes, foundation to lipstick, eyeshadow to blush, and a few personal hygiene items, your makeup bag is now a compact powerhouse ready to keep you looking fabulous. Conclusion. Achieving a flawless look doesn't have to be complicated. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can significantly improve your daily makeup routine. Remember, consistency is key. Don't forget to check out our next video for more important information on beauty and skincare. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated.